welcome back with some of my highlights on enterprise portfolio and project management. First and foremost, we're heavily working on our engineer-to-order process and developed an innovation to reserve material using project demand. When it comes to demands, we offer 3 categories: resources, services, and materials. In the category of materials, we now offer project stock reservation. A project procurement controller or project manager can then select the WBS element, the plant, the material ID, the quantity, and eventually also the storage location, and then reserve material for a project on a certain date. Once the demand is requested, a reservation number gets generated. As of today, the reservations generated out of this project do not generate requirements, but this functionality is planned for future releases. However, with the monitoring capabilities, you can view how many quantities have been delivered, in case certain quantities in stock are issued against the material. This creates transparency for the project procurement controller. To further strengthen the ETO process, you can now create a project by copying an existing project using an API. As a project financial controller, you can use the already existing Enterprise Project API and make use of the new functionality to take an existing project as a reference along with other parameters and generate a project with appropriate IDs, planned dates, or demands, for example. This allows for a much more efficient way to create projects with planned dates that are automatically adjusted. And a nice feature on top, you can copy settlement rules in the API. Last but not least, I want to draw your attention to a highlight as part of SAP Project and Resource Management: public APIs for project plan collaboration. With the new APIs, project managers have the possibility to close the gap between the financial view and the execution view of the project by importing project plans from external systems, like SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, into SAP Project and Resource Management. The financial structure which is created can then be analyzed together with the execution plans in SAP Project and Resource Management. Please note that this innovation is part of the Business Technology Platform and requires an additional license. You want to know more? Stay tuned for my blog post and check out the SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition community. With that, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy.